Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to allow access to calendars in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start. Then you need to go to settings, because here you will find privacy, location, camera and microphone options. We need to open it. And now we need to move cursor to the left panel and scroll down, because here you can find calendar options. We need to open it, and here you can find really useful settings which will allow access to calendars on this device. How you see, actually it is turned off. So if you want to enable it, you need to click on change button, and now we need to turn it on by clicking here. And from this moment access to calendars is enabled, and you can choose which apps can access your calendar. Then access will be disabled, and if you will click it again, access will be enabled for this app. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to check links in description.